Are you thinking of buying your vehicle lease out? Well, Buffalo Metropolitan Federal Credit Union wants to make sure you're ready with everything you need before you start the process. So here's what you'll need. You'll need your lease buyout letter that has the name of the leasing company, your account number, the payoff address, payoff amount, including the per diem amount, and vehicle information, which includes the year, make, model, and VIN. You will also need an insurance binder, and that must list your comprehensive and collision deductibles with Buffalo Metropolitan Federal Credit Union as the lien holder. Proof of any income, so that includes any income you wish for us to consider. So if you're employed, that would be your 2 most recent pay stubs from your current employer. If you're on Social Security or on retirement income, that would include a bank or benefit statement if you do not have full direct deposit to BMFCU. If you're self-employed, that'd be a copy of your 2 most recent year's tax returns showing your adjusted gross income. There is also a $20 loan processing fee. You will also need a copy of a valid and current New York State ID. So visit us at 62 South Elmwood Avenue, right behind City Hall, or online at www.bflometrocu.org.